He's gonna dump the entire tough syrup on the pizza.
That's kind of tough.
This is the most disgusting thing I've seen in weeks in regards to food.
That's pretty tough.
That is tough, disgusting. I've never seen someone do this before.
Yeah, he's actually doing. That is some tough pizza.
Oh my gosh.
That is so disgusting.
I want to get this tough out of here.
How's that pizza?
Oh, it's delicious.
That's disgusting.
Oh,
I had no syrup on my pizza.
I added some to mine and it wasn't a bad decision.
That was the disgusting decision. Would you put syrup on pizza?
Would I?
Yeah.
No.
Of course not, because it's disgusting.
Wait, Rob, you actually didn't put syrup on the pizza?
I put ranch dressing.
Oh. I thought you actually put syrup on the pizza.
No. That's why I try to give you the ranch dressing.
No, I don't like ranch.
But Mrs. Buttersworth is okay on the za.
That's disgusting.
Actually, Rob, it honestly tastes pretty good.
No, it's disgusting.
That's cap.
I can put some vapor on the za.
Oh. Yeah, Mrs. Buttersworth.
No, yeah.
He put it all over the pizza.
Like a regular pizza with like marinara sauce?
Yep.
What does it have my full legal name? That's ridiculous.
I hope he gets the help he needs.
A regular pizza covered in syrup.
Is he eating it right now?
Yeah, and it's disgusting. He thinks it's great.
That'll go away after a while.
I hope so. It might turn into mold and then it'll go away.
I love mold.
What?
Mold.
Don't you love mold?
I hate it.
I love it. Wait, you eat moldy stuff all the time.
That's cat.
No, it's not.
What did I eat that was moldy?
Cookies.
There was no mold in those cookies.
No, they're 100% mold.
No, that's cap.
No, it's not. Those cookies were over a year old.
They were fine.
No, they are.
They was frozen.
No, they weren't.
Yes, they were.
No.
Yes.
No, they were in the refrigerator. That's not frozen.
There was no mold.
There was mold. No, they were like 2 years old, dude.
You just keep increasing the time.
I know. Because that's how old they were. Jeez.
Cheese.
There's cheese pizza. Cheese pizza with syrup.
It's a town.
Is there pizza there?
Out in Jefferson
Probably
County.
pizza.
Well, ship in some syrup.
Oh.
The
You
sticky
dump some
mouthful.
ranch over it.
Nah, it's gotta be sticky syrup.
Sticky syrup. What's another weird topping?
Aunt Jemima.
I don't think groundhogs like sticky pizza.
Well, apparently computer techs do.
Yeah.
No,
Dude,
that's
Jay's corner is probably so sticky.
His
I don't
computer
think sticky
keyboard's gonna be
pizza.
filthy, and his computer mouse is gonna stick to the desk.
That's not good.
How can he work then if his mouse is stuck?
I don't know.
His
He's
keyboard's
gonna have
gonna
to
be
figure it
stuck.
out.
His mouse.
He might have to put on sticky keys.
His laptop's gonna be shut forever.
Well, his laptop's a piece of junk anyways.
Oh yeah, that's right.
That doesn't mean I like them.
Ah, goodbye.
Go ahead. There it is.
Hello?
Hey.
Hi.
Hello.
My name is Mark. I'm calling you from a real estate firm. How are you doing today?
You haven't noticed that
Okay.
Jordan does always a very good job at switching shoes.
The reason of the call today is to let you know that we have a
always does
couple of
a
houses
very
for
good
sale
job.
in the area for
Yeah,
very
not
low
wearing the
price
same
in the
shoes every
market.
day.
So would you
Yeah,
like to
road
learn
safety.
more about it?
He does rotate them.
That's how they don't lose
Okay.
their tread like my shoes.
Yeah, like these are my everyday shoes.
So we can
Okay.
help you find a home a lot cheaper than the
Jesse, you wear the
market
same
rate.
shoes every
You
day?
at least consider it as an option, right?
Jordan
Okay.
switches his up.
Me?
No, Jordan.
Yeah, I know. Yes,
All
ma'am.
right, that's all the information I was looking to
I wear
verify.
mine every day. What a fashionable guy. You won't expect it.
And we'll give you more
At least you don't
information
slip
about
and
it,
fall
okay?
when you walk in the building and it's raining. That was ridiculous. Hello?
All right, thank you very much, and you have a lovely day.
Shut up,
What are you
jerk.
thanking us for?
What are you saying?
Ridiculous.
I don't like him.
Need some more.
It was nice catching up. I will see you guys in the near future. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Don't tell me what to do.
Alright, I hope it sucks then.
I probably will.
I hope you have a good day, Greg.
Thanks, Rob. You
Bye,
too.
Greg.
Have a wonderful day. You
Thanks,
Have a
man.
good day, Greg.
I try.
All right, it's time to hang up.
Bye, Greg.
Bye, Greg.
According to this menu, which I think is inaccurate, it says open hours. Tech support.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, sir. My name is Daniel with American Solar. How are you?
Okay.
So we are providing information about solar program. Here you can lower down your electricity bill up to 50%. So you are the homeowner, is that right?
You know, I have told you guys a million times I hate the sun. And you just keep calling and calling.
You smell too.
All right. According to this menu, which I think is not it's not funny. According to this menu, which I don't think is accurate anymore, it says open hours Monday to Thursday, 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. But I think now, it also says the credit card minimum is $15, but I think that has changed. I think it's only 10. It's peckingtokyos.com. That's gotta be a typo. Yeah, this menu must be old. This is totally wrong.
The Tom menu.
It's shut on Tuesday. Wednesday, 11 o'clock, it's open again.
Okay, so Wednesday, we'll get a packing.
Maybe we'll go to Peking Tokyo on Wednesday. It says, our mission is to provide healthy and delicious food in a clean and friendly environment.
I think they do that pretty well.
Yeah, I think so too. It's a good restaurant. Our mission is to provide unhealthy and repulsive food in a filthy and crouching environment. Now, how many times have I told him to stop jamming stuff in here? Because the poor lady that comes by to take it out is not going to be able to get it out of the box.
Right.
Throw a package of hot chocolate at me.
Either don't. I don't care.
I hope that comes through on video. Do you dump the package in and then fill it up with water, or vice versa?
I don't think it matters. What do you do?
The reason of my call is that we are providing free information about our solar program where you can lower down your electric bill up to 50%. Are you the homeowner?
I am.
Oh, you're right.
Hello?
Hello?
You are the homeowner, sir?
I am.
Okay, sir. And your average electric bill is more than $100, right?
Right.
Okay, sir. I'm going to transfer this call to my senior supervisor. He will guide you further. Stay on the line here.
Sounds like you hate your job.
Yeah, thanks for holding. My name is Steven with American Solar. How are you doing today?
Okay. Oh, okay.
That's good. So, the reason of my call about solar program. So you mentioned that you are the homeowner, right, sir?
Right.
That's good. So, say your electric bill
Great!
is more than $100 in a month, right?
Right.
So what is your zip code, sir?
06606.
say it again, sir?
Come on. 06606. Oh, what did you eat?